Today I'm going to show you a website that is going to make you money again and again in passive income. It is a worldwide available strategy and also absolutely free, so you don't need to invest any money. Just make sure to watch this video through the end and take action so you can start getting paid immediately. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Edinemia's World with notifications on, so I'm going to notify you whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today's strategy revolves around this site here called Mangools. This is over at Mangools.com. For those of you who haven't heard about it before, Mangools is basically an SEO site, and if you don't know what SEO stands for, it's search engine optimization. And what SEO essentially does is that it helps various websites to rank on Google, and so more people can see them. As such, Mangools basically helps out various websites to get more traffic, and it's simple as that. And as such, many large companies need Mangools simply because they could be paying up to hundreds of dollars for an ad on Google, and if it isn't on the first page of Google, then they are losing a lot of traffic and therefore potential customers. Now don't worry, because you don't need a website for this to work. You can actually be a complete beginner and still get paid, because today we are going to promote this as an affiliate and you'll see exactly why this site. Anyway, something very important about Mangools is that it offers a 10-day free trial, as you can see here. This is a very important part because people are generally skeptical about websites like this, and generally they don't like the idea of paying a website without knowing if it's a scam or not. So having a free trial is beneficial for both Mangools and for all of its potential customers as well. How Mangools helps its customers specifically, you can see it here. It will find the right keywords. It can track your rankings, and also they can check competitors' websites authority. And these are all very powerful features which are extremely helpful for various website owners, but also for you as an affiliate when promoting this through the traffic sources that I'm going to show you today. When promoting, you'll want to make sure they're going to mention all of these features that this site offers. And anyhow, just below you can see what people say about, what people love about this site. Ease of use and great UI. You don't have to be an expert to start using our SEO tools. You'll understand all the data and features instantly. It offers support with SEO skills, and last but not least, it offers its customers best value for money, so the best prices on the market as far as SEO tools are concerned. If you scroll further down, you'll come across some testimonials and you'll see all the big companies that are featured on here and more information which you can check out by yourself. Now what you need to do here is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then underneath Mangools you need to click on affiliate program. And there are several reasons Mangools is so great to promote as an affiliate. First of all, there is an infinite number of customers, since there are new websites being created literally every day. But more importantly, the owners of those websites all have big budgets, and many are owners of companies, so not only would Mangools be beneficial for improving their business, but they also have the capacity to pay them. And once they're going to see the improvements in their income that they get from Mangools, they will want to use it for a much longer period of time. And this means you don't need to refer to many people on this website in order to be able to earn a lot of money. Lastly, that free trial that I mentioned before is hugely important actually, and it will lead to many more people trying this site out, and most of those will tend to start using this for the long term as well. With all of that said, this site offers you 30% of lifetime commissions, as you can see here. Even though these aren't the highest of commissions, they definitely are better than most similar websites out there. The average payout for an affiliate is the $487 a month, which is very good actually. But I'll show you how you can earn way more money than this, so stay tuned for that. Now, how much exactly you will be earning per customer is something I know many of you want to know, so you can check this out by yourself by clicking on the pricing section right here. and you're going to see that they have 3 pricing plans: the basic, the premium, and the agency one. For each of them there is a monthly and annual payment option. Now most of people go for the premium option since it's the best value for pricing of the 3, and as you can see it costs $40 a month with the annual plan, which is $480 a year. This means that if you refer 100 people in a year, which is insanely low as well, that means that you can make nearly $15,000 a year in passive income. And remember that most people who use this tool tend to stick around because it's profitable for them, so you can earn even more money than this. So this has a lot of potential to make you a lot of money. In order to become an affiliate, all you need to do is to click here on when it says start earning now, and will bring you over to this page where you need to click don't have an account so you can create one. And for this you need to put your email address, a password, confirm the password. Then you can write, if you want to, how you found out about Mangools. This is optional, but you can say, for example, from YouTube. Then you're going to confirm this CAPTCHA and click here when it says create my Mangools account. Once you grab your affiliate link, you'll start sharing it with people, and I will not show you exactly where to get traffic to it. The platform through which you'll be getting traffic is actually going to be Google, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to find customers. So you just want to search for a business type and city or town. As you can see, I have searched for gyms in New York, and what I need to do is to scroll down, and I can see all of these websites are right here, and all of these are potential customers. Now just open up any of these sites and then find their contact info, which is located either at the top or the bottom of the page. And in my case, there is the email up here, so I will simply contact them via email, then go over all the great features of Mangools, its free trial, great prices, and so on. And then you want to repeat the same process as well with other businesses. The real power of this strategy is that you can search for businesses located anywhere around the globe, and you'll be easily able to find an infinite number of customers. And as you know, you only need a very small amount of them to actually pay Mangools for you to make thousands of dollars in passive income. Another way you can find customers on Google is by searching for websites directly and not look for businesses. And I highly recommend you guys search for courses, because people selling them need traffic a lot more than an owner of some website. I have searched for Instagram courses, and now all you need to do is to get over to the 4th page and beyond, so that you can find people selling courses that are not on the 1st page of Google, and they are losing a lot of money and will thus benefit highly from Mangools, and you want to open them up. When you open a site yourself, guys, you'll do the same thing that you did with the previous website, the gym website that I showed you. You want to contact the person selling the course and promoting Mangools to them by mentioning all its great features and providing your affiliate link. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you for watching.